Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make money as a teenager. Now, in this day and age, there's a lot of options. Now, the most common one that people says is selling stuff online, right? So, for example, if you have something in your room that's not used anymore, maybe you have an old controller or an old gaming consoles you don't even play anymore, you can sell that and make that as an extra profit. Another thing that people usually do is called drop shipping. Now, drop shipping is basically you reselling items, right? So, for example, here I'm on Amazon and I want to sell something like this speaker, right? But I don't want to commit and buy a lot of stocks and then risk not selling any of those stock. So I'm just going to do something called drop shipping. I just basically copy all of the info here on the Amazon page. I make my own Amazon page. And when someone buys from an Amazon page, I'll buy from this one and then put the shipping to the customer that just bought. So I'm just reselling something, but I rebranded it, right? Another option is, of course, a content creator. On YouTube, you watch this every day. It doesn't even have to be on YouTube, it can be on TikTok or in Instagram. If by chance your video blows up, then you will have a lot of revenue pouring in. Another option, of course, is also freelancing. There's a lot of website that could enable you to do this, like Upwork here. You can also do Fiverr if you'd like. Both of these websites are very valid and it's very well known. You could get a lot of jobs from here, and it doesn't even have to be online either. If you have a neighbor or friends that have odd jobs for you, for example, walking their dog or maybe cleaning their yard, you could offer yourself up to do those jobs and you could earn a little cash in the side. Now, there is also one more thing I should tell you about. It's called honeycomb, right? So it turns unused internet into real cash. Now, what that basically means is that they'll take your internet data, so where you browse your history, your tendencies, and all of those stuff, and they'll take that data and they'll use it to sell to investors or anyone who needs it. Now, to some people that's bad, and to some people they don't care. So if you care about this stuff, you should probably skip out on these if you care about your privacy and your data. But if you're like me and you don't really care, you can use unused internet into real cash. You can get up to $20 per month, I think, by using this service. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.